In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for E-ZPass online. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Google and type in E-ZPass and then your region next to it. So for me, for example, I typed in E-ZPass New York over here, but of course you can do anything else depending on your region. Now the sign up process is going to be pretty similar, maybe not the same, but still you're going to get the general idea. So for example, if I go to New York, I'm going to enter the website over here. And then somewhere on their website for E-ZPass, it's going to say just E-ZPass, and you want to hover over it, and then it's going to say open account. You want to hover over that and click on private or business, depending on whichever one you want to open and sign up for. So I want to sign up for private. I'm going to click on that. And then here it's going to say private account benefits. Now you could go for any of these, but I'm going to go for new user sign up here because we're trying to sign up right now. And when you do this, first thing you're gonna have to do is you will have to verify either your email or mobile number. So type that in, click on verify, and then verify your email or phone. And after this, you will have to go through a bunch of different steps, just filling in your personal info, and then just keep on basically filling in what's required and clicking next until you come to the very end where you basically have successfully signed up for E-ZPass online. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.